Ihuowelle village in Igbo-Ukwu, Agwata local government area has come together in jubilation to mark mass return of our illustrious sons and daughters. The event filled with cultural fervor and unity, showcased the resilience and spirit of the community as families who traveled for various reasons rejoin their kins, creating an atmosphere of oneness and brotherhood. Emmanuel Chibata has details.
Event filled with cultural fervor and unity showcased the resilience and spirit of the community as families who had moved away for various reasons rejoined their fellow villagers, creating an atmosphere of oneness and brotherhood. Adding to the festivity, which held at Ngo Primary School, Igbo-Ukwu, the village launched a 500 million naira project for Ihuowelle Community Center. According to the organizers, the civic center, when realized, will become a hub for community activities, hosting events ranging from cultural celebrations to educational programs. The mass return ceremony witnessed traditional performances, march past by all the kindreds in Ihuowelle, masquerades, speeches from community leaders, and award presentations to some notable figures that have contributed to the development of the village. Speaking, the traditional ruler of Igbo-Ukwu, Igwe Alexander Zike, lauded Ndi Ihuowelle for organizing the ceremony, emphasizing its role in fostering oneness and peace within the community. The chairman of the occasion, Chief Bath Nwibe, not only commended Ndi Ihuowelle for hosting such an event, but also underscored its significance as a celebration of culture that is worthy of emulation. On his part, chairman of Ihuowelle Progressive Union, Mr. Uke Ezibe, highlighted the purpose of the mass return, stating that it is geared towards fostering progress and peace in the community. In a presentation, a guest lecturer for the mass return, Professor Ushen Nwosu, advocated the continuation of the celebration, urging the community to prioritize healthy eating habits and regular health checkups. Stakeholders including Chief Anthony Okafor, Chairman Planning Committee Sir FC Akogo, and Chairman of Publicity, Protocol and Programs for the event, Chief Ezechi Kwadomwa, stressed the importance of preserving cultural heritage while embracing modernity. Emmanuel Shibata for ABS News.